Approaching traffic camera. Please drive safely.
I hate this. £100km/h speed limit. Perfect road. And they go slow. And here's a truck, CQ77LW. He's been in the right hand lane ever since I've come on the freeway. Look, there's a keep left unless overtaking sign. Wonder if he's going to obey it.
Approaching traffic camera. Please drive safely.
Oh, finally. 80k roadworks. How many red light runners here this evening? Peak hour traffic. It's got to be at least one. Amazing. Nobody. Orange. Here comes one. Here it comes. Here it comes. Red. Straight through it. Company vehicle. Silver Rev 4.